If the desert lifestyle is what you're after, you're gonna love this one. From the private pool and spa, the wraparound patio with stunning mountain views, this La Quinta Cove home was designed to capture everything that makes living in the desert so special. Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,518 square foot, fully updated home, sitting on a corner lot with some of the most incredible views. My name's James with LPT. Let's start outside and take a look. The La Quinta Cove has become one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the entire Coachella Valley, and it's easy to see why. Surrounded by the Santa Rosa Mountains, just minutes away from the shopping and dining of Old Town La Quinta, and full of homes full of character, it's easy to see why people fall in love with this place. Today, I'm taking you into a beautifully updated 2007 build Santa Fe style home with an incredible pool on a corner lot that captures everything about living in the La Quinta Cove. Let's go take a look. So starting outside, you've got your driveway to the left of the home. And remember, this is a corner lot, so you can see here. Your entry is right here, located right to the right of the garage. Let's go all the way around the exterior so you can see what the exterior. So it wraps all the way around. You've got privacy all the way around, mature landscaping for some little added privacy, but you don't want to lose those views. So that is the exterior. Now, let's go ahead and enter through the entryway so you can see exactly what this home has to offer. So you walk up the curb here, you've got the private gated entry, which leads straight to your front door. Let's go on inside. So as we enter the front door, we're standing in the living room. This home has beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring, nice 10-foot ceilings, giving it that open and spacious feeling. You're greeted by a little wet bar here, right? It's got the quartz countertops, nice sink, got a little glass rack there. And then this is your main living area. So you've got a beautifully stacked stone wall here with a little cutout for your TV. You've got the beautiful electric fireplace. You've got recessed lighting, ceiling fan. What I love most about these Santa Fe homes with the tall ceilings is that you've got the windows on top of the doors and on top of the windows to capture those views. You can see the mountains through that top one there, but we'll focus more on that in a minute. But this is your entryway here. So you see a lot of natural light. And right now we have the automatic shade covers up to protect, from the sun and keep it cool in here. But when those are down, when the weather is a little bit cooler, you get to see the view straight through that window there. And we'll retract those in a minute so you can see. But you've got French doors here leading out to your pool area. As we get closer, you can get a better shot of the pool there. This is your primary bedroom here, separate from the other 2 bedrooms. So this is your main living area here. So we'll go walk, before we see the primary bedroom, let's go walk back here. So I walked through the entry door there, and then you've got the double doors, French doors there. And then here's your kitchen, huge oversized island. We've got 6 chairs on that island right there. Quartz countertops, beautifully done. That there is a solar tube, is what they call it. That's natural light. So with the lights off, you still get all of that natural light coming through here. You can see the mountain views through that window there. Beautiful backsplash, a ton of natural light. And again, when that awning is retracted there, you get the mountain views there as well. So spacious ceilings, tons of natural light. That door there leads out to your garage. Another set of French doors here because you're on a corner lot, so this is a wraparound patio. So your patio goes all the way around the corner. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but you've got stainless steel appliances, your refrigerator's there, a ton of storage space in your island, ton of storage space all the way around the kitchen. So you got your stove, your microwave, Dishwasher there. Nice big stainless steel single sink. And then your refrigerator. So a ton of storage space in this kitchen. And again, like I said, I love all the natural light, especially coming through that little solar tube there, and then all the windows, it's beautiful. So pantry is here, just to give you an idea of the amount of storage space. That is your pantry there. And then this door, so obviously when you're living here, most of the time you'll be coming through this entrance. This is your garage, big 2-car garage. You got side door access over there. Little swamp cooler in there, your water heater, and all of that stuff is there. But this is where you'll enter. So obviously if you're living here, you'll be entering into the kitchen where all of your guests will be entering in the living room. So around the corner, well, before we get there is a little closet here. So more storage there. And then in this closet is your washer and dryer. So the washer and dryer is in the house. You got the stackable washer and dryer, tons of storage space. And then you've got both bedrooms with one here to the right, the other one here to the left, and the restroom here. So your first bedroom, ceiling fan, window, and the closet is behind the door. And then right across is your second bedroom. Now this home has a Murphy bed, really, really cool. So all of this will stay here. So space saver, if you're familiar with what a Murphy bed is, you can see as the bed folds out. So really cool feature there that this home has. Murphy bed there. You don't see those very often. Built-in desk. You've got the ceiling fan, closet, and then this room has private access to the restroom. It's got a little pocket door there. So this is also the guest restroom. So same restroom, you have access here for your guest, single vanity, shower tub combo. But then it also has access to that room, private access, which is really cool. So 2 bedrooms there, right off of the kitchen. And then we'll go back this way. And then you can see you've got your garage door there, French doors leading out to the patio from your dining area, your kitchen. Single door here, which is kind of your main entrance because that's where we came in through that gate. More French doors there going out to the pool, directly to the pool area. And then your primary bedroom is right here off of the living room. Again, a lot of windows and natural light. You have that window right above the bed. You have these windows here. And then you also have pool access through that door there. And then this is your primary bed. So there's your second restroom. Nice barn door there for privacy. No tub here, just a full shower, tiled to the ceiling. Nice designer tile floor. This one you've got dual vanity there, and your toilet, recessed lighting again, and then you have your walk-in closet right over here. So nice size walk-in closet there. And so ceiling fan, tons of natural light. And then let's go outside and take a look. We'll go back through the way we came in, through the entry. Little water fountain, and then look at your views. Beautiful mountain views. So over here, we'll start back here. This is your French doors to your dining area and your kitchen. So perfect to set up a little barbecue or a full outdoor kitchen. Plenty of space here. You can see this is a table that has 6 chairs. And then again, so this This awning is retractable. You can see there, it's an electric retractable awning. So this awning, we're in the middle of summer right now, so this gives you that extra shade to keep the house cool. And then the pool area. So we've got pavers all the way around there. And then look at the size of this pool. And you know, most of the homes in the La Quinta Cove, or many of the homes in the La Quinta Cove, don't have a spa. Most of them only have pools. This one has a pool and spa, and this is your view of the mountains there. Again, corner lot. Beautiful pool. You've got some mature landscaping around the exterior of the wall for privacy. Incredible mountain views there. And right now I am standing where the dining room, or I'm sorry, not the dining room, the living room is. So this is your primary bedroom entrance. And then right behind me, I'll flip this camera around. You can see I am standing at the French doors of the living room. So see, they've got a couple lounge chairs here. And then the other thing I wanted to point out, remember that retractable awning over here? Well, we've got the same one here that can retract out and cover part of the pool area here. So literally, and this wraps all the way around over here and goes all the way down that way. And you can see the mountain view up there as well. We're getting some of that summer sun right now. So beautiful outdoor oasis here, outdoor living, 360 panorama views. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. One of my favorite things about being a realtor is getting to showcase incredible homes just like this one and introduce people to the communities that make the Coachella Valley such an incredible place to live. If you're interested in seeing this home, learning more about this home, or just learning about the Coachella Valley in general, give me a call at the number below. And don't forget to subscribe as I drop home tours just like this one every single week, as well as what's going on in the Coachella Valley, my favorite places to eat, things to do, and of course, hidden gems. Thanks again for watching. I'm James with LPT Realty, and I'll catch you on the next one.